So welcome to today's class. My name is Ms. Olaoye. We're looking at the subject numeracy and our topic measuring length and width. Our learner's objective. At the end of the lesson, pupils should be able to define length and width, convert metric length, and solve questions on addition and subtraction of length and width. What is length? Length is the distance between 2 points. Like I have a marker here. The distance from this point to this point is the length of the marker. I also have what is weight. Weight is known as how heavy an object or somebody can be measured, either in gram or kilogram. Like how heavy, if I stand on the scale, how heavy I am, or how heavy or how light this object is. Now let's quickly look at things we can measure. Can we find the length of this? Yes, we can find the length of this shape, rectangle, and the triangle. And we can also find the weight of this beef and also of this palm oil. We'll look at our conversion table. We want to look at the one for length first. Are you ready? Let's go. 10 millimeter makes 1 centimeter. 100 centimeter makes 1 meter, and 1000 meter makes 1 kilometer. I want to take it over and over again. Let's look at the one for weight. 10 milligram makes 1 centigram. 100 centigram makes 1 gram. 1000 gram make 1 kilogram, and 1000 kilogram makes 1 ton. So you take it over and over again till you get used to it. One quick look at our conversion of metric length. How do we convert from meter to centimeter? You remember we said that 100 centimeter makes 1 meter. Means 200 meter will give us what? 200 centimeters. So for us to convert 5 meter to centimeter, we're simply going to say 5 times 100, and our answer will be what? 500 centimeter. For us to convert 3 meter, we'll have 3 times 100, and our answer will be what? 300 centimeter. What about if I have 1 meter 50 centimeter? I know that my 1 meter is what? 100 centimeters. So I simply add my 100 centimeter to my 50 centimeter. My answer will be what? 150 centimeter. Looking at conversion of centimeter back to meter, how do we convert it? You can simply divide it by what? 100. So 200 centimeter divided by 100 will give me what? 2 meter. If I have 145 centimeter, how do I go? You can either regroup it by saying 100 plus 45. That means I will have 1 meter 45 centimeter. Or you simply divide 145 divided by 100, and your answer will be what? 1.45 meter. Very good. Now we're looking at conversion of weight. How do we convert gram to kilogram? Remember we said that 1000 gram makes 1 kilogram. So for us to convert this to kilogram, we divide by what? 1000. So 500 divided by 1000 will definitely give us 0.5 kilogram. 1000 gram will give us what? Just 1000 gram will give us 1 kilogram. By the time you divide by 1000. Okay, converting kilograms to grams. 5 kilogram, how do we convert it to gram? We simply multiply by what? 1000. So 5 times 1000 will give us what? 5000 gram. What if I have 1.2 kilogram? How do I convert to gram? We know that the 1 there is 1 kilogram, which is 1000 gram. And the 2 there is symbolizing 200 grams. So you add them together, you have 1200 grams. What if I have 7.45 kilogram? And 7 there represents 7000 grams plus your 450. So 450 plus 7000 will definitely give us 7450 grams. Very good. Now we'll move to examples of addition of length and weight. We have example 1 there. A cloth dealer sold 11 meter 45 centimeter length of clothes to one of his customers and 36 meter 80 centimeter to another. How do we get the total length of what he has sold? We have them together. So we simply place a 11 meter 95 centimeter of, and the other one 36 meter 80 centimeter, then we can add them. 5 plus 0 is what? 5. 9 plus 8 will give us what? 17. You put down your 7 and carry 1 to your meter. So 1 plus 1 is 2, and 2 plus 6 will give us what? 8. Then the last one you have 1 plus 3, which will give us what? 4. That makes the answer to be what? 48 meter 75 centimeter. Very good. The second example we have here. At 4.348 kilogram, 1.562 kilogram, and 2.181 kilogram. How do we add them together? you can either arrange it from the highest to the lowest or put them the same way they are. But what you must make sure to do is to make sure that your decimal points align with each other. So once you're done arranging, we'll start adding from behind. Your 8 plus 2 is what? 10. 10 plus 1 is what? 11. You put down your 1 and carry 1. 1 plus 4 is what? 5. 5 plus 6 is what? 11. 11 plus 8 will give us what? 19. You put down your 9 and carry 1. 1 plus 3 is what? 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. And 9 plus 1 is what? 10. Put down your 0 and carry your 1 before your decimal point. You put down your decimal point. So 1 plus 4 is what? 5. 5 plus 1, 6. And 6 plus 2 is what? 8. So our final answer is what? 8.091 kilogram. Very good. We want to quickly move to examples of subtraction of length and weight. Our first example says subtract 1.562 kilogram from 10.131 kilogram. We're simply going to solve that on the board. Can you come with me? We have 10.131 up because it's bigger. We're subtracting the smaller one from it. So 1 minus 2 cannot go right. The first thing you do is to write your kilogram. 1 minus 2 cannot go right. We'll borrow 1 from 3, left with what? 2. We'll put here. 11 plus 2 is what? 9. 2 minus 6 cannot go. We simply go to 1 and borrow 1 from here to left with 0 and put on this 2. It makes what? 12. 12 minus 6 will give us what? 6. 0 minus 5 can also not go. We go forward to 10 and borrow 1 from 10, remaining what? 9. We'll put here. Now we have 10. 10 minus 5 will give us what? 5. The next thing is to put your decimal point. 9 minus 1 is what? 8. So our answer is what? 8.569 kilogram. Very good. Let's look at the second example. Tiara sold 43 meter 95 centimeter length of cloth to one of our mom's customer. When the customer got home, she noticed that 6 meter 80 centimeter length is missing. What is the original length that Tiara sold? We can see that this 6 meter 80 centimeter is missing, so we have to subtract it so that we can get the original length that she had sold to the customer. So we're coming down here to solve it here. We put our 33 meter 95 centimeter above and put our 6 meter 80 centimeter below. So now we can solve. A centimeter first, let's write it down. 9 minus 5, 5 minus 0 is what? 5. 9 minus 8 is what? 1. M, we write our meter. Our M is representing meter. 3 minus 6 cannot go. Simply go 1 from here. Remains 3. Put here. 13 minus 3 will give us 6. Will give us what? 7. And 3 minus nothing will give us 3. That makes our answer to be what? 37 meter 15 centimeter. I hope you enjoyed the class. Okay, so we come to the end of today's class. I have exercise for you on the board from number 1 to 6. Make sure you do them in your notebook. So till I come your way next time, remain safe. Bye.